Hey, this is Scott Rulon, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I've been an accountant for over 33 years, and in that time have reviewed hundreds or perhaps even thousands of companies. The internet offers great opportunity, but it also offers great opportunity for someone to part you from your money quickly. Today, we're going to look at a new crypto MLM called Venturo. So Venturo review, scam or legit 5% daily ROI. But before we go there, please like, comment, share, or subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can receive future videos. Well, again, welcome to my Venturo review. I don't know if you'd be interested, but there's been some buzz about this company, so I decided to investigate. Chances are you landed on their website or social media account, and now you want to make sure it's legit. So listen to this to the end and pay close attention. But before we jump in, are you interested in a 100% legit way to make a permanent income at home? What if you could build a stream of income that's actually passive? An income stream that doesn't require spending all day on the phone, treading on the no-show hamster wheel, trading hours for dollars, running out of money before you run out of month, or letting somebody else dictate your future. If you're looking for a consistent income that brings in regular revenues each and every month, take a look here. Now on with our Venturo review. So what is Venturo? We're going to investigate what it is, what kind of products it promotes, how to make money with Venturo, its investment plan, its compensation plan, the cost to join Venturo, and what other Venturo reviews are saying. Does the Venturo scam exist? Well, if you're tired of scams, look at my #1 recommendation. So here's Venturo's logo. So Venturo Finance develops software and security systems for peer-to-peer payments and tests them for their vulnerabilities. The company also claims to have security systems for cold storage crypto wallets and other areas of crypto security. So their UK incorporation certificate, which is 138-38577, with the company is listed, and the company was incorporated on January 10th, 2022. The domain Ventouro.cc was privately registered on January 14th, 2022. But that's when I noticed something. There's no information on who owns or runs the company, but yet they claim to be a successful investment company. The director of the company, James Blank, doesn't even have a digital footprint. Plus, I'm not sure how their security systems can be used to pull in external revenue, and you know what that means. Lots of questions are not answered so far. So this is what their website looks like. I would encourage you to take a look at it yourself and see if you see the same things that I see. But currently, Venturo doesn't offer any retail products or services, but you can become an affiliate and promote the Venturo affiliate membership. Once you become an affiliate, then you can also invest with the company and start receiving a guaranteed return. Now, if you're wondering if you can make money with this company, right, keep reading on my Venturo review. Hey, in fact, if you want to see a couple other companies you can that are legit, you can go to my website, myfinancialfair.com, and look up Level Thrive, HempWorks, Shackley, and 7K Metals. You can see examples of some legit companies. So how do you make money with Venturo? Well, it has a couple of ways you can start making money with the company. You can invest in the company and start producing a guaranteed return. You can also recruit new affiliates who invest and earn a commission. So what's the investment plan? Well, obviously there's several cryptocurrencies you can invest with, but we're going to use the US dollar in this example. So if you choose to invest anywhere between $30 and $100,000, you can receive a 5% daily return until you've received a triple bagger. 300% ROI. If you withdraw your main principal before the 300% is reached, guess what? They're going to charge you back in fee of 10%. So what is their compensation plan? Well, it leverages a unilevel structure that pays 3 levels deep. You can earn a percentage on your downline's invested funds, and the commission rate will depend on your rank. Level 1 is your personally sponsored affiliates. Level 2 is your level 1's personally sponsored affiliates, and so on and so on. So certainly you can take a look at my financial blog, myfinancialfair.com, and take a look at some of those. Hey, also, before we go on, if you want to learn how to earn $200 a day, please go to the description field below and click on my link and learn how to earn $200 a day from home in a legit way that you don't have to rely on others. So, on with our review. Daily ROI commissions. Well, at the first rank, you can turn over 0 to 3,500 and receive commissions of 5, 2, and 1% on down to level 5, where you can be level 1 and turn over 70,000 plus and get a commission rate of 10%, 6%, or 4%. So, what does it cost to join Venturo.cc? Well, as usual, the affiliate membership is free, or as I like to say, without cost. But if you want to participate in the investment opportunity, you must jump in and drop anywhere between $30 and $100,000. So what are other Venturo reviews saying? Well, most Venturo reviews out there are absolutely positive. I looked at Trustpilot. I see 131 reviews with a 4.9% average start rate. Looking at the reviews, it's mostly because the company is paying out right now. But there's one huge flaw to which I will get into next. The question is, if the Venturo scam exists. Let's just look at the facts. First, we don't know who runs or owns the company. Huge red flag there. Second, I couldn't find any evidence on how they are producing their external revenue to bring in those huge returns. Which only leads to one thing. All I can really verify is new investments are paying off existing members, and you know what that means? This has the components of a Ponzi scheme. The reason why there are so many positive reviews out there on Trustpilot is simple. They don't go by whether the company is legal or not. They are just going by the fact that it's paying out now. The problem is that once recruitment slows to a trickle, Venturo.cc will exit scam and all their investors will be left holding an empty bag. Once that happens, you will see a flood of bad reviews. In fact, that's a huge indicator if the company exit scammed, pulled the plug, or pulled the rug. Doesn't matter how you slice it, it all comes down the same thing. That's why you don't always trust Trustpilot from the get-go. The fact that these companies can sometimes last from 21 days to a few years. So when they exit scam, you're going to be caught with an empty bag and no shoulder to cry on. Because guess what? This company is not registered with the FRC or the SEC in America. That's why I simply can't recommend this company. Now, if you want something 100% legit and proven, keep reading on. If you came to this blog and you actually want to know how to build an online business, right? Currently, we are offering a business course that helps you build any business, including network marketing. You are going to learn how to drive your ideal customer to your website, collect their emails, and convert them to buying customers. Guess what? You never have to talk on the phone if you don't want to. So once you learn the skill set and the mindset, your income has the potential to be limitless. So to make sure everything is proper and every single person gets a one-on-one advisor. So don't take my word for it. Take these people's word. So we have complete newbies just getting started, and they're making some of their first commissions online. Today, with the Great Resignation, the digital economy is the number one online business model. So are there other places you can find me? Certainly. Look in the description field below. Join my Facebook group by answering 3 simple questions, and we investigate fun financial opportunities every day. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Twitter. And you can even see me on TikTok today, even though I don't sing or dance. So if you're tired of failing in business, then click here or go to the description field below and find out more about me and how you can take this course and build your own online business. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and of course hit that good old bell icon so you can receive future videos. Thank you so much for tuning in. I look forward to talking to you in the future, so I'll see you on the other side. Bye-bye.